Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video I will show to you on how to make different color for base and fur. So if you see in this render, we have different color for base and fur, right? So to change this, we need to go to the material, create asset and generic material. So we can rename it as carpet base. So you click on the right flyout and go to the diffuse color and choose color that you wanted. So I will try to make to purple, dark purple. Okay, so can choose the carpet and apply to selection. Okay, so as you can see in this material parameter, you can turn on the material parameter, and when you turn on the material, then you can see the fur is changed to white color. So for this, you can choose the based on your material list. So for now, I will go to the special design for this fur. So it will change to this. If you choose this base, then it will turn to purple color. So we can choose we want this color, or we want this base, or we want the special design. We can play around with this. So for this one, I will go to the special design. Okay, if you want to change the color, then you can change it, maybe orange, something like this. Then you can see this base color has been changed to this color. Okay, so we can change back again to dark purple. Okay, alright, so that is the step that you can make to play around with the base color and the strand color. Let's go to the geometry sphere and play with this material. Okay, let's say you want to change this pattern to other pattern, so you can duplicate this and maybe you can rename it design 2. Okay, and then you can change this maps. You can clear it first and you can choose your other bitmap. So you need to go to the Google to search what pattern that you want. Okay, maybe we try this one or this one. Okay, the resolution is 626 times 417, so this is okay to use for the bitmap. So we save as and save. Okay, go back to Sketchup and clear it first. Okay, you can choose the slot bitmap and go to blue copy space, open. Okay, and choose the carpet and apply to selection. Okay, you stop the render first and select render again. Nothing changed because we didn't select the special design tool to our fur. Okay, so for this one, you can go to this fur and choose fur, and you go to material and you can choose carpet special design for the fur. And here it is, it has been changed to our new material, so you can edit the size with 2 meter. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so the carpet design has been changed to this, and you can play around with the material here. That's how you change the fur color or fur pattern. Okay, you need to play around with this parameter, material parameter. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you and see ya.